Model, 1992 Talbot Express 1000 P-body, white, camper mileage, 102,512 MOT, 1 March 2024 engine, 1971 cc transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, all original fittings are still with the van, these are becoming good collectible items and sell very well, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, part service history HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.